Hello everyone, welcome back to NextGenTeachClass. In the previous video, we learned about isalpha, capitalize, upper, is lower, is upper, like this. In this video, we will start from isdigit and learn the remaining Python string methods with example and output. Let's begin. First of all, s.isdigit. The isdigit method checks whether all characters in a string are digit. If the string contains only numbers, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Let's do an example. So if the string is Hiram, the output is false. We can see here. If the string is 757576, then output is true. s.split. The split method is used to break a string into parts. By default, it splits the string using space and returns the result as a list. Example: if the string is my name is Ram, then after split the output will be like this. My name is Ram in like this. Another we have s.strip. The strip methods remove extra space from the beginning and end of the string. Example: if the string has space like my name is Ram, there is we can see some space in beginning and end. Now print data.strip. So output we can see after using a strip, the output will be my name is Ram. And another we have s.find. The find method returns the index position of a character or word. If the value is found, it returns the position number. If not found, it returns -1. Example: if the string is my name is Ram and we find is, then let's see output. In this position we can see here 12. The output will be 12. After remove some spaces, the output is will be 8. So another is we have s.replace. The replace method is used to replace one word with or character with another. Example: if the string is my name is Ram and we replace is with M, the output will be like this. My name M Ram. And another we have s.join. The join method is used to join elements of a list into one string. It joins elements using a string separator. Example: if we have a list my name is Ram, then let's print. The output will be, we can see here, my name is Ram. There is no space. If you want to space, then we can see there how will be space generated. We can easily s equals to there is in double column between, then we give some spaces and output like this. Thank you for watching NextGenTeachClass. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.